Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm here to share an everyday product with you guys that I get asked about all the freaking time. I always get asked what I do to keep my smile white and bright. To be honest with you, I should probably have the yellowest teeth known to man because of the amount of coffee that I drink. I drink anywhere from like 4 to 5 cups a day. They're not all with caffeine. A lot of it is decaf, but I just love coffee. I don't just drink it for the caffeine. I drink it because I love the taste. So my teeth shouldn't stay white. It should never stay white. No, I don't do soda and things like that, but still, just coffee alone can stain your teeth. And I don't drink from a straw because I'd rather have yellow teeth than to have like the wrinkles around my lips, and straws can give you those wrinkles. So that's just a little tip for you guys. But I can always whiten my teeth. I can't really get rid of the lip wrinkles, so I go with that instead. So yeah, I wanted to find an at-home kit that I can use that does not cause sensitivity to my teeth. So I used to use Crest White strips, and that was the worst thing I ever did to my teeth. And I also read articles that they're really, really bad for your teeth, so let's not even do that to the enamel of our teeth, right? So I started using some other at-home kits. The problem is most of them cause a lot of sensitivity to my teeth, to where I can't drink cold water, I can't drink any kind of water. Even when you breathe in air, like through your mouth, it hurts your teeth. That's how bad it is. And it literally strips the enamel of your teeth. So I wanted to find something that was safe and effective, but it also didn't damage my teeth. So today I'm going to be showing you an at-home teeth whitening kit. This is the HiSmile teeth whitening kit. It's a really cool kit. It comes with 6 applications. All you need to do is 6 days of this, and it's 10 minutes a day. Other kits that I've tried in the past, they're 30 minutes each application. This literally only takes 10 minutes, and those are like 7 to 9 days, I believe, and this is only 6 days. So me always being on a time crunch and having a toddler and working full time, it's very hard for me to be able to sit there for 30 minutes to whiten my teeth because my makeup only takes me 10 minutes to do. So I need something that I can do while I'm doing my makeup, right? I even had friends who did the dentist whitening, like they bleached their teeth professionally and they couldn't eat for like 2 weeks because it was so sensitive. I don't want to do that to myself. Like, I love food too much. I can't go 2 weeks without eating, and I sure as hell don't like drinking room temperature water. I need to drink cold water. So that being said, I needed to find something that wasn't gonna make my teeth so super sensitive. That's annoying as hell. And I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So when HiSmile first reached out to me to partner up, I was kind of hesitant because like I said, I've tried so many kits before, and I was like, you know what, I'm over it. Now I just use like a regular toothpaste that has like the whitening thing in it. But I was like, you know what, let me just check out their page. I went on their page and I saw that they had a lot of celebrity endorsements as well. I saw it all over the internet, and then that's when I started seeing it more and more and more. So they reached out to me a couple of months ago, and I didn't agree to partner up with them until I gave this a go myself. So after I saw that online, I was like, okay, you know what, like what have I got to lose? Let me just try it out. Okay, so the kit looks like this, cute, nice packaging. Not that it matters to me really at this point. When you open it up, you're gonna see this here. It usually comes with 3 syringes of product, and each syringe carries 2 days. So it's 2 applications in each syringe. So it's a total of 3, which is 6 applications, which this whole process, like I said, takes 6 days to do. It comes with a little shade chart for you to kind of see where you started off with and where you're gonna end up with. I started at a shade number 5, so today we're gonna do the very last treatment that I have left in this syringe because I already used 2.5 syringes. We're gonna see after I do this syringe where I fall on this category. It also gives you a little instruction guide on the back of the shade chart. So it says to brush before whitening, use 1 application at night before bed. That's the best time to use it. Take before and after photos to compare your results and try to do it in the same exact lighting. And then it says use for 6 consecutive nights. And that's it. So that's all you really need to do. It comes with a little mouth tray. So you put the product, you put a quarter of the syringe in the top tray, and then you put a quarter of the syringe in the bottom tray. This is actually a newer design, so it could fit more snug in your mouth. So the reason why I like this one compared to other kits I've tried is in the past, I had the whitening kits that also had like a little mouth guard, but the thing that sucked about it is it came with 2 separate ones. Then you had to boil water, put the mouth guards inside the water, put it in your mouth, suck it all out so it can be like the imprint of your teeth. And it wasted a lot of time. So in order to avoid all that, they do it this way. It's a snug fit. You put it right in your mouth, and it fits very snug. And then over top of that, You hold the light, you turn it on. This light helps activate the product better, so it whitens your teeth even better. So you just hold them both in your mouth, put the light over the mouth tray, and you're good to go. They also just released a new formula. So this is the new formula here, which I'm really excited about. They listened to all the customer feedback and they improved their formula. And I really love a brand that listens to its customers and tries to improve it constantly. So over the last year, they were working on the new formula and they just launched it. So this is the new formula that we're gonna be trying today. Now, with all that being said, we're gonna jump into this video. And I'm gonna show you guys how I used this for the last 5 days and my final treatment, and then we're gonna compare and see where I started out and where I'm ending up to see how well this product worked. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. Also, thank you guys to HiSmile for partnering up with me on this video. As always, every single opinion that I give you is always going to be my own. I never agree to a partnership until I've tried the product and I've absolutely fallen in love with it. So yeah, that being said, let's jump right on into this video. First thing I'm going to do is unscrew the cap. You guys can see I only have half a syringe left. Like I said, I already used the other half. I'm on day 6, so this is my last syringe. I just uncover the cap and then I'm gonna squirt a quarter of this product, so right up until here in the top tray and then the other quarter in the bottom tray. And go slow so that way if you do squirt a little too much in one area, you can kind of spread it out. Okay, so that's about a quarter of the syringe. I'm just gonna use the nozzle to spread this product around a little bit to get it onto the part that's actually gonna be in contact with my teeth. Then I'm gonna squirt the other half in the bottom. I'm doing this on camera. I actually squirted it backwards before. You want to squirt it on this part. Just like that. And spread that out as well. And then if you've only used the first half of the syringe, go ahead and wipe all that off so you don't get the whole case messy. Also, if you don't want to set a timer for this mouthpiece, you don't have to because the light automatically turns off after 10 minutes. It beeps and then it turns off on its own. So that also helps. But if you're like, just for a precaution, if you want to turn on a timer, you can. I always turn on a timer because I'm always worried like, oh my God, what if I don't hear the light or what if I forget to pay attention? But on my phone, it's definitely gonna make me pay attention, right? Now I'm gonna place this into my mouth. Okay, so now that I rinsed out my mouth, you guys can see the last bit of difference that this made. And then I just rinsed out the mouth guard. Also, I like to brush it with a little bit of toothpaste just because I'm like OCD. And then I just dried it and then I can store it back inside of my box so it's ready for the next time. So the good thing about this is instead of paying $60 every single time to buy a kit, when you already have the mouth guard and the light, all you need to buy is the syringes. The syringes are only $23.99 and it comes with a 6-day application again. And then I like to whiten my teeth once or twice a year. I don't do it more than that. You can, and especially because this doesn't cause sensitivity. I like to whiten my teeth before an event or like a photo shoot or something like that, just so I can have nice white teeth. So I would just start 6 days before an event with this kit and then be done on the 6th day. It would be the day of the event, right? Okay, so now that I completed my final application, let's see where my teeth fall on this chart. Let me look in a closer mirror because I can't really see. Oh, wow. I would say I'm not quite a 1, but I'm like right between a 1 and a 2, so like a 1.5. So can you guys see that? Does it show up on the monitor? I hope it shows up. So you guys can see I'm like between these two right here. So I'm really, really happy, especially because I started out at a 5. So I'm like really, really impressed. This lightened my teeth several shades. So I have sparkling white teeth again. You know what I love about whitening my teeth? Anytime I'm done whitening them, I wear a red lipstick because then your teeth literally look like porcelain white. Like, it's crazy. Like, I wear red lipstick and it just looks bomb.com. So try it out and let me know what you think. Okay, so when it comes to the HiSmile teeth whitening kit, it is 100% alaha approved. I highly recommend this product. It is absolutely incredible. I don't think I'm gonna be using any other teeth whitening kit ever again in my entire life because that 10 minutes is a big deal to me. 10 minutes for 6 days, I could do that. I can't do 30 minutes for 7, 8, 9 days. I can't do that anymore. Like, I don't have any time. I have a toddler. My makeup takes literally 7 to 10 minutes. So what am I gonna do with the rest of the 20 minutes that I'm sitting here with the, whitening light in my mouth, I love the fact that this light has an automatic timer. I love that the mouth guard doesn't require me to customize it to my teeth. It just fits perfectly in your mouth. I love that this syringe comes with 2 applications per syringe instead of 7 applications in 1 syringe, because it's really hard when you have 1 syringe for all those days because it gets dirty and it's disgusting, and after the 2nd day you want to toss it, so why would you hold on to that? I feel like it's full of germs now, so I love that. I love that you can purchase the syringes separately and you don't have to get the kit every single time because you're wasting stuff. Like, who needs that many lights? I have other kits. I have like 7 or 8 lights that are just sitting there. This light has an automatic timer, which is amazing. I haven't had that, like a light like this one before. So another good thing to get is their fluoride-free pink toothpaste. This is made of all natural ingredients. It's really good to maintain the whiteness of your teeth. I didn't use it these past 6 days because I really wanted to see how this kit was gonna work for me, but this actually helps chip away at the stains as well. It also helps protect your teeth against cavities, has a spearmint flavor. According to their website, it says the pink toothpaste has been formulated with natural ingredients to protect against cavities, stains, bacteria, and sensitivity. The toothpaste is also fluoride, SLS, and PEG free. And it also provides a solution for overall oral health, which is very, very important. So be sure to check that out as well. So yeah, I highly recommend this product. I really hope you guys check it out. I will leave the link in my bio in case you do want to check it out. Again, all opinions are my own, 100%. I would have never agreed to this partnership if I didn't absolutely love the product. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And please follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Okay guys, so I made a mistake all these days, and I didn't know that the light goes directly into the mouthpiece. So it can be one piece, so you can just and pop it out, and then you can remove it from the little pocket. I feel like an idiot. I should have known that. But whatever. You can use the mouthpiece without the light, so whatever.